Learn how admins and teacher can create group classes and packages with YoCoach-based platform. Firstly, click on the Classes drop-down section to create a group class or group class package. Next up, click on Group Classes to view and manage all group class offerings. Then click the Add Class button to create a new group class. Next, click the Assign Teacher field to select a teacher for this group class. After that, enter a unique identifier in the slug field for the group class. Then, select the appropriate subject from the drop-down menu to assign teaching subject. Afterwards, click the Session Type drop-down to select online or offline for the class. From here, click to set the start time or date for your group class session. Next, select a duration from the drop-down menu to set class duration time. Afterwards, enter a title for the group class in the title field. Following this, enter the course detailed description in the text field provided. Next up, enter the maximum number of learners allowed in the Max Learners field. Following that, enter the entry fee amount in USD to set the class cost. After that, click the Save and Next button to confirm and proceed to the next step. Then, enable auto-translate for other languages to automatically translate content across available languages and click the Save Changes button. Following that, click the Save Changes button to apply the updated group class settings. After activating auto-translate, all descriptions were automatically translated into the languages added to the system. Next, click the Edit icon to upload or change the group class image. After uploading the image, click the cross button to add the group class to the system. The group class has now been added successfully. Teachers also have access to edit the group class details from their dashboard. To create group classes from the teacher's end, the teacher needs to log into their dashboard. Now navigate to the Group Classes section to create or manage group classes. This tag helps teachers identify that the group class was created and assigned by the admin. Teachers can edit group classes created by the admin only if no learner bookings have been made for the class. Teachers can also create group classes by clicking the Add Class button. After clicking the Add button, the group class details pop-up will appear. Fill in all the required details, then click the Save button to save the class. This is how a group class is added. Now the newly added group class is displayed in the Group Classes section on the front end. Start managing group classes with YoCoach-based platform.